see-through.
Alright, so Jim's taking up my Pulse XT60 to pay me back for the scares that I gave him with his Era Cobra.
Wow, it does.
Yeah, it just lifts up on its own, really.
Yeah. I don't like mine in the wind, I tell you that now.
Yeah, I noticed when I took it up a while ago that
Where am I going? Okay.
wind would get up underneath it and push it if the wing angle got too high.
Let's go back to the right. I feel like I'm learning all over again.
Uh-oh, starting to rain. Yep.
Okay, let's get off the runway. I prefer not to fly in the rain.
Yeah, that's me too. Well, the flying in the rain don't bother me. It's getting the radio wet is what bothers me.
What kind of radio you got in here? Standard receiver?
Yeah, it's one of them new Spectrum. Actually, you know, I think I just put a regular 4-channel in that.
No, you're fine. Wow, this thing does float, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Am I too high for this?
Well, you just wind up down at the end, but that's okay.
No throttle. Wow, this thing does float.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
I got enough?
Yeah, I think so. Well, maybe not. Yeah.
I'll leave it handed to you. Try not to be so high, okay? You did bring an umbrella for me, didn't you?
The way these clouds are looking, man, I don't know if we need an umbrella.
Go back out there. Sink, 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 sink. I don't want it to tip. I don't think it would tip.
Yeah, I don't know. I've not tried the stall
Better now?
on it yet.
I'm not any better, guy. Okay, we're going to make this one third time term.
Yeah, it's starting to rain pretty good now,
There you go.
Jim.
It's your plane. See you later. Get it down, mid-turn. Am I doing better?
Oh, you're doing fine, man.
I'm doing great. That's no throttle. I cut throttle way back there.
Yeah, I found if you cut it on the downwind leg, you're fine. Yeah, you're looking good.
That's one I'm pleased with.
You're okay.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'll get your airplane.
No, let's just drive it back. It's raining.
I'm in the rough.
I think you're okay. If I can turn it before the wing catches that tall stuff, we're okay. I got it, Jim. Well, if you don't tell on me, I won't tell on me.